Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will learn how you can install IntelliJ Idea. So the question is, what is IntelliJ Idea? Well, IntelliJ Idea is a cross-platform integrated development environment that is designed to develop applications written in JVM-based languages like Java and Kotlin. JetBrains has developed this Java IDE. It is ported on all popular operating systems like Windows, Mac, and Linux. If you want to install this powerful IDE, then you are at the right place. So to install this IDE, head over to the IntelliJ website. So simply type IntelliJ Idea Community Edition. There are two editions of IntelliJ Idea. First one is Community Edition, which is totally free and open source. Second is IntelliJ Idea Ultimate Edition, which is for commercial purposes. So click on this other version, or you can explore this as well. So it's a basically ultimate version. So simply click on this other version. And here you can find different operating system and different versions. So IntelliJ Idea Ultimate, IntelliJ Idea Community Edition, and here you can find files for different operating system. So I am using Windows operating system, so I will simply download this file. I have already downloaded it, so I will simply cancel it. And I will open the Windows Explorer, and I will simply go to Programs, and here I have downloaded this IntelliJ Idea Community Edition. Simply double click on this, allow it. Now click on Next. You can see it is asking to choose a location to install, but we can leave it as default and click on Next. After that, check it. Please keep in mind it is necessary to check this option specifically. And after that, simply check it as well. Simply click Next and simply install it. You may see the progress bar. The installation speed depends on your machine configurations. So our installation has been successfully completed. So I want to manually reboot it later. So simply click on Finish. So I hope you have clear understanding of how you can install IntelliJ Idea in your operating system. So keep learning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next video.